Ready? Stop.
I can't hold him either. I think it's so bad. Me too.
You have to go where so bad?
In the bathroom. Me too.
You do not have to go to the bathroom.
Yes, you do. Yes, me too. Where are you going, Roxy? I'm just doing this.
Can you do me a favor? Can you fill up my drink?
Yeah. Me too. Can you go to the bathroom?
Stay here, Lex. Stay here.
Jeez.
You need to finish your burger. Don't. Is that a good burger?
Yeah. Who wants the bathroom?